Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to add a voiceover to a Facebook Reel, step by step. If you're new here, hit subscribe for more quick tutorials. Links to helpful tools are in the description. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. From the top right menu, tap the plus icon and then select Reel. Step 2. Record a new clip or tap Gallery to pick a video from your phone. Step 3. Once your video is on screen, tap the audio music icon on the right side. Step 4. From the pop-up menu, tap Controls. Step 5. Choose Add Voiceover. Step 6. Press the record button and start speaking. You can drag along the timeline to record at specific moments. If you make a mistake, just re-record that section. Step 7. When you're done, tap Done. Step 8. Adjust the volume sliders to balance your original video sound and your voiceover. Lower the original sound if needed. Step 9. Tap Next, add your caption, hashtags, choose your audience, and then tap Post. Quick tips: record in a quiet room for clear audio. Hold the phone close or use a microphone for better sound. Keep each line short and natural. That's it. If this helped, give the video a like, leave your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more Facebook and Instagram tutorials.